Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your one-stop channel for all things health and wellness. We're here to guide you on your journey to a healthier you, one tip at a time. Today, we delve into a topic that often flies under the radar but is crucial to our overall well-being: phosphorus. Yes, phosphorus, the second most abundant vital mineral in the human body, plays a key role in maintaining our health. It's responsible for creating energy, maintaining strong bones, supporting nerve function, and much more. However, like any other nutrient, it's all about balance. Too much or too little phosphorus can lead to health problems. More often than not, we overlook the signs of phosphorus deficiency, attributing them to other causes. With that said, it's essential to recognize when your body may be lacking in this vital mineral. Today we focus on 10 warning signs your body is in need of phosphorus. Starting with the first sign, bone pain. Bone pain isn't something to be taken lightly, it's our body's not-so-subtle way of saying, hey, something's not right. One such issue could be a phosphorus deficiency, as it plays a crucial role in maintaining our bone health. It works hand in hand with calcium to build strong and healthy bones. When our body doesn't get enough phosphorus, it can lead to bone pain and even weakness. This happens because without sufficient phosphorus, our bones can't function properly, becoming weak, brittle, and prone to pain. So if you've been feeling an unusual, unexplained pain in your bones, it might not just be fatigue or strain. The second warning sign to watch out for is loss of appetite. You might wonder how a mineral deficiency can affect your desire to eat well. Phosphorus plays a crucial role in our body's energy production, and energy fuels our appetite. When your body doesn't get enough phosphorus, it struggles to produce energy efficiently, leading to a general feeling of lethargy and consequently a decreased interest in food. Your body is essentially saying it's too tired to even think about eating. And that's not all. Phosphorus also aids in the digestion of nutrients from the food we eat. Without enough of it, your body may not be able to extract and utilize these nutrients effectively, further dampening your appetite. So if you find yourself pushing away your favorite dish or skipping meals without any particular reason, it's time to pay attention. A sudden and unexplained loss of appetite could be your body signaling a need for more phosphorus. Moving on to signs 3 to 5, fatigue, anxiety, and numbness. Fatigue, the constant state of feeling tired or exhausted, can often be a telltale sign of phosphorus deficiency. Energy production in your body is a complex process, and phosphorus plays a vital role in it. It assists in the conversion of food into energy and facilitates the efficient use of carbohydrates and fats. Without adequate phosphorus, your body struggles to produce energy, leaving you feeling drained and fatigued. Next, let's talk about anxiety. It's a common emotional response to stressful situations, but it can also be a symptom of phosphorus deficiency. Phosphorus is crucial for maintaining balanced brain chemistry, helping produce neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that transmit signals in your brain. When your body lacks enough phosphorus, these processes can be disrupted, leading to anxiety and other mood disorders. Finally, we have numbness, a sensation of tingling or lack of sensation in different parts of your body. It can be a confusing symptom, often mistaken for a sign of neurological issues or circulation problems. However, phosphorus plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health. It helps in the formation of the myelin sheath, a protective layer around nerves that ensures the proper transmission of nerve impulses. A lack of phosphorus can disrupt this process, resulting in numbness or tingling sensations. These signs may seem unrelated, but they are all interconnected through the crucial role phosphorus plays in our bodies. It's important to remember, though, that these symptoms can also be associated with other health issues. So if you're experiencing any of these signs, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. If you're feeling unusually tired, anxious, or experiencing numbness, it might be time to check your phosphorus levels. Next on our list are signs 6 to 8, weakness, stunted growth, and breathing difficulties. Weakness in the context of phosphorus deficiency can be both physical and mental. Physically, you might feel like you're running out of steam faster than usual. Even simple tasks could leave you feeling exhausted. This is because phosphorus plays a vital role in how our bodies use carbohydrates and fats. It also helps with muscle recovery after exercise, so a lack of it can lead to overall weakness. When it comes to mental weakness, we're talking about a general lack of enthusiasm or motivation. You might find it harder to stay focused or feel like you're just going through the motions. This could be due to the role phosphorus plays in maintaining our energy levels and cognitive function. Moving on to stunted growth, this is a warning sign more commonly seen in children and adolescents. Phosphorus is essential for the growth and repair of cells, including those in our bones. If a child or adolescent is not getting enough phosphorus, their growth may slow down or be stunted. This is why it's crucial for growing kids to have a diet rich in this mineral. Lastly, let's discuss breathing difficulties. This is a symptom you should take very seriously. Phosphorus helps our bodies make proteins for the growth, maintenance, and repair of cells and tissues. It also plays a role in how our body uses and stores energy. If you're not getting enough, it could affect the muscles involved in breathing, leading to difficulties. Remember, these symptoms, weakness, stunted growth, and breathing difficulties, could be indicators of many different health conditions. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing any of these symptoms. Finally, signs 9 and 10, poor bone density and difficulty concentrating. Let's delve into these two signs and how a lack of phosphorus can lead to such issues. Phosphorus is a key player in bone health, working hand in hand with calcium to form the structure and strength of our bones. However, when your body is running low on phosphorus, it can lead to poor bone density, resulting in bones that are less robust and more susceptible to fractures and breaks. It's like trying to build a skyscraper with a shaky foundation. The same goes for our bones. Without enough phosphorus, they can't maintain their strength and resilience. This isn't just about the occasional broken bone from a fall or accident. Poor bone density can be a chronic issue leading to conditions like osteoporosis. This disease, which causes bones to become weak and brittle, is often linked to a lack of key nutrients, including phosphorus. So if you're noticing that your bones seem weaker or you're experiencing frequent fractures, it might be time to check your phosphorus levels. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the 10th sign, difficulty concentrating. Phosphorus plays a vital role in brain function, involved in the creation of DNA and RNA, the building blocks of our cells. When phosphorus levels are low, it can disrupt these processes, leading to cognitive issues like difficulty concentrating and memory loss. Imagine trying to read a book or complete a task with a foggy brain. It's frustrating and unproductive, right? That's what it can feel like when your body is low on phosphorus. Your mind might feel cloudy, making it hard to focus on tasks at hand or remember important information. Experiencing these issues might be a clear signal that your body is low on phosphorus. It's important to be aware of these signs and seek medical advice if you experience them. Remember, your health is your wealth, so don't neglect these warning signs. Recognizing these signs early can make a significant difference in your health. We've journeyed through the 10 warning signs your body might be in need of phosphorus, from bone pain and loss of appetite to fatigue, anxiety, and numbness. We've also discussed weakness, stunted growth, breathing difficulties, poor bone density, and difficulty concentrating. These symptoms might seem disparate, but they're all linked by one crucial element, phosphorus. This mineral plays a vital role in our body, supporting the function of our cells, bones, and organs. It's clear that maintaining proper phosphorus levels is not just about preventing these warning signs, it's about ensuring optimal health and vitality. The importance of phosphorus in our bodies cannot be overstated, so keep an eye on these signs and don't hesitate to seek medical advice if they persist. Remember, your health is your wealth. Subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle Tips for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.